Welcome! In this lesson, we will learn how to install Windows 10 on an HP laptop. Before we start, make sure you have a valid USB drive. First, download the Windows 10 installation tool from the Microsoft website. Once downloaded, open the tool and select Create Installation Media. Choose your language, edition, and architecture for Windows 10. Next, insert your USB drive and select it in the tool to create bootable media. Wait for the tool to finish creating the USB installation drive. Now, restart your HP laptop and enter the boot menu by pressing F9. Select the USB drive from the boot options and press Enter. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin the Windows 10 installation. You will be prompted to choose your preferences, such as region and keyboard layout. Finally, wait for the installation to complete and set up your new Windows 10. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Windows 10 on your HP laptop.